morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. I am Prem Kumar from CP15 to presenting my weekend project on the topic Automatic Hand Sanitizer. These are content, introduction, component use, circuit diagram, working, application, advantages, total expenses, conclusion, and bibliography. So what is Automatic Hand Sanitizer? Automatic Hand Sanitizer have ability to sense the hands under the spot to dispense the liquid sanitizer. It dispenses the perfect amount of sanitizer automatically to get the hands quickly clean. Component use. In this project, I use one IR sensor, one transistor tip 32C, two LED red and green, one mini water pump, one mini switch, two 1K resistor, and one micro USB charging cable. This is the circuit diagram of this project. So first of all, positive terminal is connected to the DC switch, and in this terminal have connected one red LED with 1K resistor. So when we give the 5 volt DC supply, red LED will glow. Then DC switch second terminal is connected to the emitter, and the same terminal is connected to the VCC of IR sensor. After that, DC water pump positive terminal is connected to the collector, and the negative terminal is connected to the ground of IR sensor. And in this terminal have connected one green LED. So when water pump will allow the sanitizer, green LED will glow. Then transistor base terminal is connected to the output terminal of IR sensor with 1K resistor. Working. In this project, input is the IR sensor which sends any object and given to the electric circuit which control all the circuit, and output is given by sanitizer droplet from the nozzle. This is the working video of this project, so you can see how it is working. Application. Automatic hand sanitizer can use in classroom, lab, automobiles, rooms, and hotels. Advantages of this project. Their low power required, sensor detect motion in daytime and night time. It is very low cost and it needs very less maintenance. Total expenses. In this project, I spent only 110 rupees, and all component price is given to this slide. So you can see it is very economical project. Conclusion. So here I conclude my presentation starting that automatic hand sanitizer is economical as it does not use Arduino. Automatic hand sanitizer is not for only COVID, it can also help in eye flu. Bibliography. I have taken help from various resources like YouTube and Google. Thank you.